Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a brand new book from Teresa Goodridge. Now I think I shared this in my community tab a while ago, but it was a pre-order. So it just came on Sunday for me, which was the release day. It's kind of a weird day, isn't it? Or no, maybe it was Saturday. Either way, Garden Gnomes. Now she's been doing like a gnome kick. So it started off with a what was it, gnome something? And then she had a Christmas gnomes. Now she's got garden gnomes. Also, there's more gnome ones coming that you can pre-order. I'll try to remember to link those. But yeah, let's take a look. She is on a gnome kick on her Etsy as well. There are a ton of them. I think it's because people love them so much that she's like, well, let's just keep going. Oh my gosh, I love this page. This is so perfect for spring. All of these are. I mean, this is garden gnomes, so all cuteness. Yeah, her gnomes are just so, I don't know, happy. Anyone else just like so giddy when they look at her gnomes? That's cute. I like that one too. Oh, I love the little mushroom houses. Too. Now they do have the perforated edges so you could tear the pages out. They're single-sided so you could use markers and not worry about bleed through. Ooh, this is like a good one for fall. I like that we have a few seasons in here. Oh, that's another good one for fall too. Summer, obviously. I'm not the biggest fan of like these little mini ones, but they're good for like testing things out. It's just they kind of get cumbersome. Although in this one, I don't know, in a way it kind of looks like they're all standing on the same thing of grass. You could make it look that way. Oh, that's fun with all the strawberries. Better gnomes and gardens. Sorry, I get giddy over stupid stuff. That's a cute page though. Not just because of the better gnomes and gardens thing, although that did help. Oh, I like this one. Paper is that same kind of, honestly, a grade above barely printer paper. Can't tell if I missed a page here. I wish they would go back to their old stuff that was really smooth. I use Prismas on these though, and they work just fine. So do my watercolor and ink tints. So it's not a big deal, but if say you're like a Polychromos fan, you may notice you need to put down a little more. Basically either something really soft that can just smoosh, as I like to say, or you know, water-based or water-activated tend to work better. This is a really cute one, but busy. It's definitely busy. I have to be in the mood for that one. Oh, this is cute for fall. Look, she's got a caramel apple. I can totally say that's a pumpkin spice latte. Pumpkin pie. Stress-free zone. Oh. It's like a little hot tub made out of a barrel. Oh, this one's cute. Hey, why does he get to relax and she's mowing the lawn? Oh, gnome life, right? See, this is what I mean. Like these little ones where there's just kind of like a page of them. I don't tend to do much with. I like the full scenery, but I probably save them for tutorials. Now, if you've gotten this far in the flip through, then you will know that there is a giveaway for this book, this exact book. You'll have to be based in the US. This would be great for fall. Oh, there it is again. Because this will be coming from Amazon US. So unfortunately, if you're outside of the US, I cannot do a giveaway. I'm so sorry. I try my best though. But yeah, I will have a link in the description below to a form. And you just need to comment which of these pages that you saw in the flip through is your favorite. And then you will be entered by filling out the form and leaving a comment. So you gotta do both. And then I will have this run I'll have a few days, but I'll have the expiration or the end date on the form and in the description below, so you know when it's going to end. And yeah, let me know if you ended up pre-ordering this too. I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you like a big fan of Teresa's gnome phase that she's in? Because I am. And I forget what the other one is that's coming out. I just happened to go through Amazon and started adding all my pre-orders. So I think I have like 10 pre-orders between now and like some dates in 2024. So lots to come. But yeah, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye now.